Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. So now I'll try to go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. Okay, so for timing already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So basically, so the requirement is very simple. So here we can see that there are three card visuals and one matrix visual. So here the requirement is, here we can see like I'm trying to display the total sales amount in the card visual and also tax amount and so total product count. So my requirement is whenever I click on this card visual, I want to display so the detailed information into this matrix. Same thing like in the whenever I click on tax amount card visual, automatically this so tax amount has to be displayed in this detailed information in the matrix as well. Same thing like this also. So let's try to do some experiment whether it is correctly working or not. So for timing, I'm trying to click on so sales amount. So now we can see that, so same thing again I'm clicking on tax amount. Now you can see the values are changing based on the selection in the card visual. Again I'm trying to do in the product count also, we can see so everything is changing based on the selection, it's automatically changing. Okay, so it's very simple. So basically this kind of example I have implemented by using bookmarks as well as selection pane only. So instead of card visual, even you can take the slicer. So based on the slicer selection we can do it, but sometimes so there are some cases we'll get this kind of requirement like based on the card selection I want to get the detailed information in the matrix or some kind of table visual. So that is the reason, so recently I came across this kind of requirement, so that's why I'm trying to do that. So here I'm going to the demo measures. So in the demo measures we can see, so there are different types of measures. So it's very simple only, it's like just a sum only. Okay, I'm just clicking on sales amount. So try to zoom in. So sum of sales amount, again tax amount. It's very simple, there is no complex setup. So tax amount, again total product count, so count of rows. So basically I'm trying to use the cross filter, so there is no kind of direct filter propagation between the like a dim date as well as a product table. So that's why I'm trying to enable the cross filter direction by using the DAX function instead of physically enabling that. Okay, so and finally I'm trying to do the switch expression based on the selection. So how it is working is basically I'm trying to hide the slicer by applying the bookmarks, so that is the reason it's applying. So whenever I'm trying to click on the card this one. So okay, so it's working as we expected. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So going forward, I'll try to focus on like SSIS tabular model, how we can create different types of measures then, and page net reports in the report builder also. So yeah, so we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.